here at the third level of the Activity Center of Star Alabang. Palakpakan po natin lahat po ni candidates for the search for Alakabili 2010. And our candidates will be right back para po sa kanilang talent presentation. Thank you very much.